Hey you guys, it's Toya and thank you for watching ToyaJTV. This is actually week 19 and 20 for the How to Stretch Your Relaxer series, and this week I am wearing a wig which lasted me for 2 whole weeks. So let's get into the install. So just for the background details, I did make this wig. I have already prepped my hair. I shampooed, conditioned, then I applied a leave-in conditioner and I braided it down, and that's brings you to where I am right now. And I'm just spraying the by L. Jones cooling hair mixture on my scalp. It helps the scalp when you have like an itchy scalp. It helps that it contains tea tree oil, rosemary, and peppermint, and it makes the scalp feel fantastic. So as far as the wig, the only thing I do is just clip it on. Like I said, I made this wig, and if you're asking how did you do that, I used a dome cap and I just glued the tracks to the cap just like how you would a quick weave, and then I just put some of the clips on the inside so I'm able to clip it on and clip it off. And that's what you have here. It is so easy to install. And then, you know, a lot of people say, I don't like wearing wigs. You know, they're so unrealistic. So I'll cut it shorter. Since my hair is cut much shorter, I wanted it to be similar to my hair. I know it's not exactly the same, but I want it to be similar to my hair. So that way it's not so obvious that I have on a wig. A lot of people didn't even know that I actually had on one. Like, a lot of my family was like, that's a wig. Like, after I told them, I was like, you like my wig? They were like, that's a wig. So yeah, so don't be afraid to wear wigs to help you get through your relaxer stretch, because you can get a very realistic one, or you can make one like how I did and wear it, and you don't have to tell anybody, because you know me. Well, y'all don't know me like that, but I'll tell people, look, this wig, just so I can get, you know, so I can get the reaction and be like, oh yeah, it looks like one, or it doesn't. But anyway, it was very easy to take on and take off. The only thing I did was I left my edges out so that they could cover the track. This is what you call a flip over wig, so I don't have a traditional leave out. My leave out is really all in the front. And then I just flip the wig from the hair over, and it makes it blend in with my hairline. And then you see I even have it tucked behind my ear to make it look even more realistic. So you can absolutely wear a wig and no one be the wiser. And again, I wore this for about 2 weeks because, child, the time that it took for me to braid my hair down, I also had to get more than 7 days out of this. And what I'm applying to my edges is the by L. Jones edge control. I just put just a little bit on there because I am deep off in my stretch, okay? Weeks 19 and 20, that's basically 5 months, okay? Well, 4 months. So, yeah. And another thing, I do take this off every night. So what I do every night is I unclip it and I take it off, and then I just roll my leave out up with one roller, because that's all the hair that is out, and then put my scarf on, and that's it. And this is just me, basically the finished product, with putting clothes on, throw a teeny weensy bit of makeup on, and spraying my hair with the by L. Jones Miracle Potion number 9 to make it smell good and to take any flyaways out. And that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week. Again, weeks 19 and 20 for the How to Stretch Your Relaxer series. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all later. Always tell me that you need me.